Alright, so this is my third time volunteering at the swap shop, and yeah, I'm excited. And let's swap.
Lord, that woman feels so good. That's somebody got a real fine car. Got a beachfront condo and a fine cigar. I got all those things money can buy. So let me, baby, I sit alone and cry. Yeah. I ain't got nothing if I ain't got you. Ain't got nothing if I ain't got you. Never anywhere before. This is another one of his. He's called Moving One.
Hello. Hello.
It's got a good field of view on it.
Yeah, you can arrange it like different. Like, oh, it's always you. Hello.
Hi! Oh, you look lovely. Look at that lipstick.
Thank you.
Stunning.
Thank you.
Where'd you get your
Thank you.
lipstick from? Because mine's...
This one.
So maybe we put this together.
If you see teddy bears, I want teddy bears.
Oh my god, look at that pink one.
Yeah, well, I was looking at that earlier. It's not. Someone brought it.
Decoration. I don't know what it is, but it's so cute.
Well, I want it because I want it for Blair. How's Betsy?
I don't know who this cutie is, but
Linda. Yes. Yeah.
You have to get liquor.
hello. Yummy, yummy, more vegan goodies. This one looks so good. Sawadee-ka. So cute.
If I ain't got you, I ain't got nothing if I ain't got you. All right. I'm all alone. Ain't got no wife. Ain't got no home. Got no woman. Oh yeah, that's a fact. Please come back there. Come on now. Come on back. Let me tell you. Ain't got nothing if I ain't got you. Ain't got nothing if I ain't got you. All right.
Hello, Joanna.
Hello. How are you doing? You brought your GoPro.
First time using it.
I forgot my. I have a GoPro. I
No
forgot
way.
about it. Yes.
Oh,
It was
first
so
time.
great.
I'm so excited. I was like, yeah.
I'm terrible terrible at using it on the water though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, very bad.
I've had practice with the 3, so I don't know how I'm gonna be with this one, but hoping it's. Hello! Hi, hi, hi! Awesome! Ooh, beautiful.
Good to see you too. Very happy to have you here. It's great. Hello. I'm very sweaty. How are you?
Ooh, hi! Awesome!
I need to lose some weight to split this.
Ooh. Very sexy. Ooh. Hi! Hi! This is my first time using it.
It just seems like since you're minute, yeah, since you called me on the phone.